Yo, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Katie's Empire, and we got another interesting video for you guys today. Today's video is going to be about woman who refuses to let her husband go and see his child because she no longer trusts him around his child's mother. Let's get into the video.
You're not going.
Why
You're
you?
not going.
Why you being so extra?
You're not going. You're not going.
But look.
You're not going.
Rest your mind. You ain't got nothing to worry about. I ain't trying. What y'all
You
doing?
want to go to your baby mama's house?
Because I'm trying to go see my son.
You can't
You
see him
at him?
over there.
Why not?
Because you're not.
It's not like
I'm gonna block you from going.
You're gonna block me from seeing my son?
Yeah,
that's crazy. Aren't we together?
Don't be. You do be
cool. Oh, I don't know more.
Okay, so you're not going.
All right, look, it's cool though. I'm not going. You ain't got no. You want to?
You're not gonna go.
You want to FaceTime me the whole time? You want to FaceTime me with him? So you gonna block the car door?
Yes.
Y'all see what I gotta deal with? She blocking the car door. I'm untrustworthy. I'm not. So with me. Shut it. I just want to go see my son. Why?
He has to come here.
Why?
Because you're untrustworthy. What else do you want to say?
I'm gonna get into this car one way or another. That's all I know. Who not?
I was fast. You're not going over there.
You funny.
You're not going.
All right. You think I'm not going? That's just saying.
You're not going.
Why are you being like this?
You're not going.
Give you the keys? No, I'm not wasting my time. Just get in the car, bro. Why are you doing this? All right, give me the keys.
When it's time for me to go.
When it's time for you to go.
Yes,
that don't make no sense. It's not your son, is it?
I can be there with you.
You can FaceTime me.
No.
What is the issue?
It's not happening.
Why are you so? I don't want that girl, bro.
What's gonna happen next?
Bro, all we did was have a kid together. I don't want her.
What are you gonna do next?
You gonna give me them keys? I'm gonna get in the car, go see my son. That's that.
Hey,
look, come on, bro.
You can't see your son.
Why not?
Give
me a valid reason. Give me a valid reason. Other than your insecurity. Give me a valid reason.
You did.
You can't. I did it?
Yeah, you did it. It's not happening.
Oh, come on now. That's old.
Here.
That was like 2 years ago. You ain't over that.
You can Uber your child here. You're
not
going.
She doesn't want him to come over here. I just want to go see him.
I don't care.
I ain't even gonna be over there long. Why are you being like this?
You can't see your son there.
Y'all see what I gotta deal with?
Yeah.
This is what I be talking about, bro. You just so frustrating. Oh my god! Bro, give me the keys.
You're not.
Why not?
Because you're not.
So look, I got one better.
What?
I could get Ubered over there.
You're not going at all.
I can't go no type of way.
If you call the Uber over here,
I can't call Trail. Trail drop me off over there.
If you call somebody over here, it's gonna be a problem.
It's gonna be a what type of problem?
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it. Give me the keys. You ain't got to worry about nothing. You give me the keys.
Not happening.
Oh, come on, bro. Give it to me. You know I ain't gonna put. Give me the keys. Call my baby mother. You know she ain't got no car right now.
You can get your stuff out the house.
I can get my
if you want to.
To see my son. All this to see my son, bro.
Yeah, I'm done with it.
That doesn't make sense. What?
Do what you gotta do.
Cause I can't see my son.
Yeah, cause you be cheating.
I be cheating.
And you be messing.
Bro, that was I told you that was like 2 years ago. Me and that girl ain't got nothing going on. Come on. No, bro, just give me the keys.
Not happening. Let's go.
Ain't nowhere to go.
Let's go.
In the car. Yeah, look, I'm gonna open the door for you. Unlock it.
If your son wants to see you that bad, he can come here.
Unlock it. Come on.
If your son wants to see you that bad, he can come here.
Bro, he's like 4. Like, why you want me to put a 4-year-old in an Uber? Bro, that's crazy.
You're not going over there with your baby mama. When it's time for you to go, I will go with you. But it's not happening today. Period.
Bro, you can stay in the car.
It's not.
What's the issue?
You're wasting your time.
I'm not wasting my time.
You're wasting your time.
Where are you going, bro? Come on. Look. No, bro. Oh, come here.
I'm gonna go back in the house because it's a waste of time.
You ain't gotta go in the house. You ain't gotta do that.
Do you think that I care about you recording me? You can show the whole world this. I really don't care. It's not happening.
That's cool.
You're not gonna see your son. Are they gonna help you see your son?
I am gonna see.
Are they gonna help you see your son?
I am gonna see. I just told you. Uber.
Are they gonna help you see your son? Because
I just want to make sure. I just want to make sure that. Look. Give me the keys. I'll be back real quick. You can FaceTime me the whole time.
No, you're wasting your time. You should have done what you did.
2 years ago?
I don't care, and I don't want to keep going back and forth.
But why you keep letting that plans happen 2 years ago? What are we getting to?
That's it. It's over with. Done.
It's not over with. It's not done.
If you leave, you got to get your stuff and you got to get out my house.
You know what? I'm gonna call Uber. Don't worry about it.
If you leave,
I'm about to leave.
You hear what I'm telling you?
You're not.
So apparently you weren't done.
I'm out of Uber. I'm going to see my son regardless.
If you leave,
one way or another.
Are you hearing what I'm telling you?
I really just would prefer to take the car. You know I'm gonna do that.
You want to be done?
You got my location.
Do you want to be done?
I just told you we can FaceTime.
No? Do you want to be done?
What is the issue?
If you leave.
Do I want to be done? No, I don't want to be done. I want to see my son, though.
If you go see your son, we're done.
That's what it is. So it's you over my son? It's you versus my son?
Put it how you want to put it.
That's weird.
If you go see
That's weird energy right there.
Go see your son, we're done. So The ball is in your court.
But why is it gotta be
The ball is
that?
in your court.
I'm so lost
You heard
at
what
that
I
though.
said. So I'm finna go in the house.
Come on, bro. Let's
And
give me
then
the
that's
keys,
it.
dog. Give me the
Yeah,
keys. You ain't got to.
Man, it is a lot to unpack in this short video. Honestly, I want to hear from y'all. What do y'all honestly think about this? Do y'all think that he was wrong? Do y'all think that she was wrong? Do you think that maybe she's this way because he may have cheated in the past? Or do you think that she just has trust issues? Women, I want to honestly hear from y'all. Would y'all allow that man to go and see his child? Or would you do the exact same thing that she is doing? I really honestly want to hear from y'all when it comes to this particular video. Y'all let me know down in the comments, man. Let's have a discussion about this thing, all right? Anyway, y'all be blessed. Y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm trying to work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa, too bad was you know they roll.